What's up? We're back with another video, another reveal. Again, Marvel renditions and Marvel Matriarchs. So this is from renditions. Let's just get right into it. This is from a digi-break. Oh, this is mixed, I think. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, there's a puzzle piece in here, I think. All right, let's see. Electro canvas card. Here's a Storm Impel. This is a Silver Spectrum Lilith. Here's a blue. These are base. It's kind of mixed up. This is one of my favorite cards from this set, this Tarantula. It's by Liddy Lee. So that's cool. Here's the same card, but in a Silver Spectrum, so we'll sleeve that up. I want the autograph of this card. And then we have a puzzle piece, which I feel like should be sleeved up. So should that blue, actually. We'll do that a little bit later. All right, second pack. So the Marvel Matriarchs are really cool. They're like thick cards though. So you kind of got to spend some cash on getting the sleeves and the top loaders for those because they're not standard top loaders. Spidey, Doc Ock. Nothing huge. Here's a medallion. A Gamora medallion. Should be sleeved up. Here's some blue. Namorita. Karen Page blue. Hope Summers blue. Misty Knight blue. Arachne. Okay. And begin the hits. Let's see. Let's just open this and see what's in here. Cool. Psylocke is a hit. These are the pop cultures. So here's Psylocke. And She-Hulk, I believe, is a short print. So that's cool. Here's a Psylocke. These are cool looking cards. None of them are numbered, but they're short prints. Here's a Wolvie on the orange. The Hobgoblin Orange, 206 out of 299. That is a cool card. I think that's the second one I have. And then a Genetics Matriarchs Jean Grey. Pretty fun. All right, let's see what we get. This is a black Moira McTaggart. So this will be out of number 4 out of 194. So that's a black card. Lady Loki on the A-Force. And then Persuasion on the light blue. The light blue is 116 out of 129. There we go. That's that. And then we have a big shipment that came in. There's a lot. So look. Blue. Puzzle pieces. Midnight Suns. Not even sure what's in that. Oh, more Midnight Suns. This is going to be fun. I haven't opened those yet. Dormammu. There's a lot of Midnight Suns in here. How much did I get? These are all like thick cards too. It's going to be fun to look through. We got some good hits that I'll share as well. Oh, it's going to be cool. It's going to be good. Look at blue. some base. I need way more room. I need like a second. Oh, that was a cool ghost spider. All right, let me organize this a little bit because I want to pull these out of the actual boxes and show them to you guys. So they're not organized yet. Okay. Need to create some room in here. It's going to be a little bit back and forth. So okay, so there's going to be two sets, all right? The Marvel Matriarchs and then the Marvel Midnight Suns, okay? So let's go through. Okay, look. Midnight Suns, Matriarchs. Ooh, I caught that. I almost dropped this whole thing. Matriarchs, Midnight Suns, Matriarchs. Okay, Midnight Suns. All right, we'll start with Midnight Suns, and then we'll go to Matriarchs. That's what we'll do. All right. Let's put that there. Move that over there. Scoot these over a little bit. Okay. All right, let's start opening some Midnight Suns. This is my first time opening Midnight Suns. I've seen it, but I have not got my hands on it. Mordred the Mystic. Let's see the art on these. Robbie Reyes, Frank Drake, Stacy Dolan, Deathlock, Blackheart. So I am not familiar with a lot of the first appearance Daredevil, a lot of these characters. So we'll just see what we get. Dormammu. Oh, this is cool. These are like the medallions. Here's Dormammu. I feel like these got to be the base medallions. Dracula, Blackheart, Johnny Blaze, Madame Web, Baron Mordo, Rachel Van Helsing, Green. Greens are not numbered. Sister Hill. Sister Nil. All right, let's leave those guys there. Gonna be like a pro. I'm gonna go to Comic-Con now with looking up all these new cards. Doctor Strange, Blade, Johnny Blaze, Satana. Real name, first. So each of these cards will tell you the artist name too. So this one's Nicholas Gregory. So you're gonna see which artist you're gonna end up liking, and that'd be cool if you like a certain artist and then you end up hitting a sketch of it. Scarlet Witch. So you can really like have fun and take your time and look at these and read them and all that. Pretty fun. Jonathan Wayshak. Just totally nerd out. All right, these are greens. This is Blackheart. Let's leave these here. Frank Drake. Zadkiel. Looks like Wayshak is in a lot of these, or does a lot of the art. Black Panther. That one's pretty cool. Simone Bianchi. Adam Warlock, Ghost Rider, Andrea Lugtu. Cool. Morlun, Elsa Bloodstone, Falcon, Colossus, Molek, Topaz. Is this part of the design, or this just gets scratched the heck out of? Look at this line in here. It's weird. I don't think that's part of the card. So that card was jacked up. Let's see. Let's see what's in this thing. Midnight Suns. How do you say this? Thaumaturgical artifacts. Eye of Agamotto. Huh. Okay. That's an easy word to say. What is this? Ultra Shades. Andre Meister. What is an Ultra Shade? I'll look that up. It's not a sketch, but it looks like a sketch. It's pretty cool. Man Thing. Ultra Abilities. 1 of 30 UB. I don't think that's numbered either. Spellcraft Stories. Ghost Rider. I mean, these cards are cool. Werewolf. Strange Tales. These are fun cards to have. I don't think they're, worth that much, but Spirit of Vengeance. Alright, let's see what we got going on. More Strange Tales. Spellcraft Stories. Spellcraft Stories. Dude, look at this one. This one's got Wolverine and Blade on it. That one is sick. What is this about? The Creed, a vampire cult, believed that their messiah Varkas would unite all the vampire houses. Wolverine believed Blade to be the messiah, but Blade deemed Varkas, a mutant vampire, to be Wolverine. They plan to kill each other. Dude, this one is sick. I'm gonna move these. Sleeve this guy up because it's so cool. Get these sleeves out. I'm not sure what should be sleeved or what shouldn't at this point, but Blade versus Wolverine. Man, I went from like baseball cards straight into Marvel, and this is, so much more fun for right now, feels like. Alright, Spellcraft Stories. It's a cool card. This is Spirit of Vengeance. Goose Rider. Huh. I wonder which ones are short prints. Robbie Reyes. Alejandra Jones. Spirit of Vengeance. Cool. We got Ghost Spider. That's a cool card. Dracula. Alejandra Jones. Daniel Drum. There's Wong. Look at that art. Andre Meister. Domino. Domino is cool. You've seen the Liddy Lee one of Domino is sick. This is Jonathan Wayshak again. Cosmic Ghost Rider. Dagger. Nice. Alright, here come the hits. You ready for the hits? Let's see. Okay, here we go. First we have Morbius. Hellfire card. I believe this card, it's like a see-through card. What is it called? Just Hellfire. Oh yeah, it's like a transparent card. It's not a thick card. Morbius. Okay, that's a hit. Zarathos, this is in blue, so I wonder if it's numbered. Oh yeah, it is numbered right here. 179 out of 180. Almost the Omega. The Alpha and Megas, I don't know who made that up or what the deal is with that, but it's just so much cooler. Alright, so we got Falcon Medallion. Oh, it's numbered, so this is a Platinum Medallion. It's 70 of 100. Okay. Lastly, we have Scarecrow with the gold auto. What do you think about that card? That card is pretty sick. That is a cool card. Is it numbered? It's numbered 16 of 100. It's really hard to see. It's in red here. In like a dark Dracula blood red. 16 of 100. It's pretty sick. That's a really cool card. And then with the gold ink on the auto, just makes it so much cooler. Alright, I hope you guys liked Midnight Suns. It's kind of fun. I'd be down to get rip another box of that. I mean, some of the characters you don't know, but you know, if you have time to like look through it, it's pretty fun. Oh my gosh, let me move some of this stuff because we're loading up with hits and running out of room. So let me move these base cards over here as this video is approaching 17.5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna move these over here and organize them in a little bit. Okay, that's enough room for right now. Okay, we'll go through some Marvel Matriarchs and cross our fingers that we get a hidden auto. I'm all about that. Such cool art on these. I'm gonna be stoked when I build the set for these things. Black Cat, Tigra. If I have doubles and you guys see doubles, let me know which ones you guys want. And I can hook you up. Cersei, Mary Jane, Arachne, Storm, X-23, Elsa Bloodstone, Kitty Pryde, Ghost Rider, Mighty Thor, Captain Marvel. This won't take too long. Lourdes Chantel. Clea Strange just looks cool. I wonder why Clea Strange looks like what Clea Strange looks like, because oh, is she Doctor Strange's wife or daughter? I don't know why I thought it was daughter, but I think it's wife. Alright, let's see. Stephen Strange was dead. In Doctor Doom's mind, that made him a new Sorcerer Supreme. Knows that Clea, the title, was her late husband's, and now it was hers. Okay, so Doctor Strange's wife. Black Widow, Psylocke, Nico, Minoru, don't know who that is, Lady Loki, Silver Sable, and Wave. Let's liven it up a little bit with some blue cards. Medallion, Black Widow. Medallion Nebula. Miss Marvel. Black Cat. I wanted one of these black cats. That's cool. Alright, let's get a sleeve for Black Cat. Probably sleeve all of those actually, but here's Black Cat. That's cool. Let's put Black Cat here. Okay, we have Cecilia Reyes, Elektra, Lady Deathstrike, and Tarantula in the blue. I've seen one of these breakers that's all about Tarantula, so I can't wait to hit the sketch or the auto of Tarantula by Liddy Lee. Alright, let's go. Ooh. What is this? Is this a base medallion? Puzzle pieces. Puzzle piece. Puzzle piece. Pop Culture Gamora. Oh, this is a good pack. These should all be like sleeved up. Come on. Come on. Look at this. Screen Queens. Mighty Thor. A-Force Jubilee. Mystique. America Chavez. I don't know why some of these are not sleeved up, but that's fine. Calypso in the blue. Magic. I have an Omega of Magic. It's like to 1, I don't know, 80 or 90 or something like that. Here's another Clea. Alright, let's go through the pack with some mixed cards. Here's Dagger in the silver, Nebula in the silver, Marvel Girl, Spectrum, Miss America, Jubilee, and a base Nebula. Alright, time for our big hits. Bigger hits, I guess, not but big hits, but let's see. Looks to be some numbered cards. She-Hulk on the blue, too. 124 of 129. Why are number cards so cool? We have Storm and Lilith. Lilith is on the black. 156 to 194. On the black, 159 to 194. By the way, this is, I've said this before, but this is my homie Matt's dream woman right here. Look at that. Look at these. What dreams, what his dreams are, his sick, twisted dreams are made of. Alright, last pack. And this should be the best one. Here we go. Elsa, Bloodstone, 32 of 100, the Platinum, Elsa Bloodstone, the Platinum, Jubilee on the orange. This is actually a cool image of Jubilee because the regular one looks, I don't know, too Jubilee-ish. This one is 68 of 75. This is called Titan, T-I-T-I-A-N. It should just be called like Titan or something. Alright, we have Misty Knight, fully equipped. These are like case hits. These are like little metal cards. I think. Yeah, they look like metal cards. Okay, you ready? For the case hit, are you ready? This is the moment you've been waiting for. It is Matriarchs, 1 of 1. Congratulations, you have received a hand-drawn, one-of-a-kind Marvel Art sketch card. Enjoy your original sketch card. Artist, Vicente Movero. You ready? Here we go. Can you tell who it is? Look at the hair. You know who it is. Rogue. 1 of 1 Matriarchs sketch card. That is insanely sick. Look how good that one is. There's a lot of different sketch cards, and this is probably one of the best Rogue sketches I've seen. You tell me if you agree or not, but that thing is gonna go into a one-touch. That's probably, I would say that's the best sketch card that I have. I feel like that's the best one. It's really nice, and there are several Liddy Lee Rogue sketch cards, and the profile is different because she's kind of turned more, and there's like more hair, which looks cool. But this side profile is like really neat, and this artist is cool. I kind of want to look up more art from this person, Vicente Movero. But we're gonna pull this thing out. Straight out of the... Whoa, that's cool. Really cool. I don't know if I can get rid of this one. There's so much detail. Look at that. It's super, super detailed. That's really nice. Here we go into the one touch. Your new home. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. Don't mess up the corners, don't drop it. That's what you say in your head, like, with every card, right? And then I watch breakers all the time drop stuff, and they're like, oops, PSA 1, PSA 2. Well, you know what? You're probably right when you dropped it. There it is, your new home. Safe and sound. This is so cool. I'm like stoked on this one. Well, I hope you guys liked the reveal. There's a lot of stuff in there. So it was the Sons of, what is it called? Midnight Suns and Marvel Matriarchs. But look at these, some of these hits. Check these out. The Cold Auto, Scarecrow, and a Rogue sketch. I think I've got like one box of each. One box of Midnight Suns, and then one box of Matriarchs. And I think these are the 2 biggest hits in each box, and probably overall. So I feel like that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think of these 2 pieces. All right, till next time. See you guys. Bye.